This is Hannah from Hosen Ceramics. Today we would like to introduce our new showroom for all of you. Let's go! As a vertical setup vendor of tableware for all of our customers, actually Hosen is a meaningful word for all of us. H for the honest, O for the optimist, S for the sustainability, E for efficiency, N for innovation. And we hope to offer fast fashion home ceramic tableware solution and supply chain service for all of our customers. As you can see, we also have lots of the main markets here, and even the showroom has also the same concept about the markets. Later we will give more introduction. The back side of the wall is about the introduction of our craftsmanship and the focus on sustainability. As what you can see, we focus on each details, even the porcelain production process and also the package. Even for this kind of the recycled material, we also will use it for the recycling process for the production and to make sure it's environment friendly. This area is mainly for the holiday seasons. We will change the decoration and the full designs of the dinnerware to the related seasons like Christmas, like Easter, like New Year, like Ramadan, extras. So we will adjust this kind of the designs combined with our customers' request, then make them learn more about the designs. This new showroom is very different from others because we have separated the spaces to different areas. You will find the very fantastic afternoon tea British style. Also, you will find the different romantic styles for the French market. Even you will find the Nordic styles for the young generation, and for some rustic style for the German market. Or you will find the hard or the tough designs for the American style. Most importantly, you will find the Arabic word for Middle East market. Also, you will find lots of the items for the supermarket. Why would you like to design like this way? Because we always take our customers' request into the priority. We hope all of our customers who come here, they can feel comfortable and they can bring whatever they are interested in to their market, to their customers. So welcome for more connection with Hosen Home. Welcome to our new showroom.